Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento area realtor, and this is your monthly market update for the end of July and the beginning of August. So once again, broken record here. We're going to talk about the June statistics. The median sales price trickled up again. We've been seeing that ever since January 2012. Every month it's just trickling up a little bit. So in June, the median sales price went up to $170,229, and that was up from, in May, it went up from $168,750 to the $170,229, kind of a weird number there, but median sales price trickling up once again, and that continues to be because of the low amount of inventory and the high amount of buyer demand. So the inventory stayed at 0.8 months worth of inventory. That's the lowest we've ever had in this area. Basically what that means is in less than 1 month, at the rate that we're selling homes right now, we would be out of houses for sale if no new homes came on the market in less than a month. That's just incredibly low. A normal market is between about 4 to 6 months worth of inventory, 5 or 6 months worth of inventory. So it's very slanted towards the sellers right now because of the low inventory and the high buyer demand. And actually, because of that low inventory, our amount of sales for the month of June actually went down a little bit. They were at 1,816 in May and went down to 1,733. And that's honestly because of the lack of inventory that's out there. If we had a little bit more homes for sale, we'd actually be able to get more sold. We'd probably be able to get closer to 1,900 or even 2,000 a month. We just don't have the amount of houses out there right now to fill that amount of buyer demand. So that's going on. That's what's going on with the stats. We've just seen it kind of continue to trickle upward since January. I don't think anything else is going to change with that because the low inventory is still here and the high buyer demand is here due to the low interest rates, and everyone's kind of seen the bottom happen back in January. So it should be more of the same for the next few months ahead. I'm continuing to call this a price-sensitive seller's market, basically meaning that if you're a little bit too high, the market's very sensitive right now. If you're a little bit too high, your property ends up sitting. But if you price it just right, if it shows well, it's marketed well, and it's priced right, it's priced aggressively, you're going to get it sold with multiple offers right away, either at or probably even above the list price. And that's that sensitiveness of the market right now, where if you're a seller, it's important to have those three things: show well, market well, price well, and you're going to get top dollar for it. Excuse me. So anyways, that's the market update for this month. Feel free to connect with me. You can go to my website at sellwithdoug.com, and then you can check out my Facebook page. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my blogger as well. Feel free to call or email if you're a buyer or a seller out there looking to get connected and talk with me and get started with the process. Hope everyone's doing great, and clear skies.